Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create appointment in Outlook, or how you can send appointment in Outlook. I'm going to show you the various method that you can create the appointment. So I'll show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, here we are. So let me show you the step by step. So first, you can create the appointment from your home tab. Just go to the new items and create the appointments. Okay, so new window will be open, and here you can see this is appointment. But here you can see, you can select the, you can write the title like netcast meeting or appointment. Okay, and here you have to select the date, which date you want to start. So you want to set your appointment, and here you have to set your time. Okay, so I just select the 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. It is 30 minutes appointment. Okay, so it is appointment, you can see. But if I click at all day events, so it will be converted in events. So all day events for your birthday and all birthdays and parties and all, just click on all days. You can say this is completely this is a change from appointment to the events. Okay, now if I click on invite attendees, if I want to invite any attendees here, so appointment basically for you. Okay, it is mentioned on your calendar that this day has some appointments. It is only related to you only, but if you invite someone, so it will be converted in meetings. Okay, so here you can write the email ID to whom you want to invite. This is required and this is optional. Okay, and now set the time, start date, start time and start in time. Set the location and set the manual location means you can set the meeting room or conference room of your building, room on 4th floor, A wing. Okay, so now this has been now meeting now, but if you want to cancel invitation, it is convert back into appointment, you can see, and it is only related to you. If you save it, close it, it will be saved and saved to your selected date on your calendar. Okay, if you invite it, you need to send it. Invite, if you invite some attendees, that it will be converted in meeting and you have to send it. So this appointment meeting mail sent to this person, and you can also write the any notes here if you want. Okay, discuss about projects, or discuss about new products, like this. Okay, now just send it. Then this appointment, sorry, this meeting will be sent this person, and it will be saving your calendar. If you cancel it, it will be converted in appointment only, and now you can save and close it. Okay, so from here you can also create, or if you want, now you can create from second method. Go to the calendar and just select the date on which date you want to create appointment, and you can just write down appointment with clients. Okay, and just hit the enter. This, it will be create. Okay, or just select the date and go to the new appointment, and this date will be select. You have to just enter your title, appointment title, and the time, start time and end time, and location. Okay, your conference room and all, and just save it. So that is how you can create appointments in Outlook calendar. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.